Now it's 18 years since we started Ambrosia, and when we started Ambrosia, like my husband and me, we were very particular that we wanted a very catchy name for the place, and it should be meaningful as well, a very meaningful and catchy name. And it was with some great effort that we came across this name Ambrosia. And of course, it was a big hit because it was a very new name to people, and whoever came to Ambrosia, they always used to ask us, okay, what does it mean? And initially it was a big thing, we had to explain the meaning of the word to them, and it means food of the gods. And the food that we served there, it had to fit in with the name. So the quality, of course, we gave a lot of importance to the quality of the food served there. And usually when people hear about a hangout place, it's always youngsters that come to your mind. But we were very particular that we wanted to draw in the family crowd, the elders, the couples and children, and of course youngsters will definitely be there, but it was a family crowd that we focused on initially. And of course it was a big hit because people started flocking in. There were a lot of family, children, youngsters. So by God's grace, it really clicked. We try to celebrate every occasion because people, generally people are very fond of celebrations and festivities. So be it Valentine's Day, Friendship Day, Republic Day, Women's Day, Children's Day, we celebrate everything. Like we give a good decor to the whole place, and we have special offers, and we try to create a festive mood. And talking about festivities, April 4th is our anniversary, Ambrosia's anniversary. So usually it is during Easter time. So what we do is we usually club Easter and anniversary together, and we make it a whole week of festivities. So we start advertising earlier, word of mouth, we put up posters and a lot of things. And during Easter we have a lot of things going on, Easter eggs and a lot of special Easter cakes and stuff. And for anniversary alone we have a lot of special offers. Like we focus on families and couples and children, on all different categories, and we try to give offers, different food offers, and we have some lucky draws and things like that. So we try to make it a memorable event for our dear customers. Among all our outlets in Trivandrum, the one in Kavadiyar can be considered as a premium outlet in terms of space as well as location and ambience and everything. So here in Kavadiyar we have an area which is dedicated for birthday parties and any sort of parties. So what people do is they can book the whole place in advance. So we decorate the place, rearrange the whole place for them, and do whatever requirements they need. And so we have a lot of things going on here. But what I have to say in particular is that recently we've started something for 25th wedding anniversary couples. So people, they can book their place for their anniversary, and we give them special offers and special things. We treat them to a special meal. So that is something new. So a lot of people have responded to that. We're having a good crowd here, and things are really going well. And we have also trained our staff in such a way that they interact with the customers and help them, make the occasion a memorable one in whichever way they want. So that is really a good thing. And also now, apart from that, now with all this Facebook and WhatsApp and all the old friends have really, they're getting in touch. All the touch which has been gone, now everybody is getting back, and now in that way we're having a lot of get-togethers also, women's get-togethers. A lot of women, elderly women, they come here, all the old school friends. Now they're all like elderly and working, but they all come here and they celebrate the occasion. So that way we're having a lot of get-togethers here. See, now there are so many international food chains in the market. But what I'm really happy about is that in spite of having so many international chains here, we find that our regular customers, they're always with us, even now. They may go to get the feel and taste of the new places, but they always keep coming back to us. So, when we keep analyzing why this is happening, we feel it's mainly because, the friendly atmosphere that they find here, the personalized service, the ambience, all this, plus, of course, the quality of the food served and the wide variety of food that is served here. So all this put together, they feel, they have that sincerity towards, so that they keep coming back to us. And not only that, we always, of course, when competitions come, we always try to keep up with the competition. So we keep updating and upgrading our products. Every day we try to think of something new. We come up with new ideas, new products, new ways of service and marketing. So I think that's a very important point in attracting our customers.